guys, it's Thais here. So today I'll be doing my twayed out takedown. So this is my very first attempt at the twayed out, where you combine a braid out and a twist out in one. So I braided my hair halfway and then I twist the rest. So I did these last night on freshly washed hair, and I only use a leave-in conditioner and a twist and butter for some hold and just for moisture and definition. So right here, I'm just carefully taking down the hair. And as you can see, the pieces are separate and I am making sure not to separate them too much. It is 3 pieces. So the way you put it in will definitely determine how the takeout comes down. If you borrow hair from each section while you're braiding or twisting, then it will come out a lot more frizzier and you won't have the 3 single pieces. So this hairstyle is a first for me. I'm trying to see how I like it and if I would try it again, but so far it's looking good, so I'm just going to continue to take it down. So this is my hair fully unraveled, and right now it's looking like braid out slash twist out. You can definitely see the difference between the two. So I'm just taking my fingers and pulling it through my roots just to fluff it out so that you do not see visible parts. After I fluff my roots, I am separating each section only once. So when you pull it apart, make sure that you have it locked completely or separated completely into 2 sections. Be careful so that your hair do not come out too frizzy and it looks super undefined. So I'm just pulling each section one time. So this is the hair fully separated and fluffed, and the part on the side was created before I installed the twayed out, so that is key for getting a defined part. So today I am trying a brand new edge control that I received. I'm just trying to test it out. This is my first time using it and it smells so good. It smells like grape Kool-Aid. Oh my goodness, it smells exactly like it. So it's clear in texture right here. And I'm just scooping out a little bit and putting it right at the very edge of my hair. So sometimes I go for this look and sometimes I don't. It just depends on my mood. So I'm just carefully applying that edge control to the edges right here. And then I'm using an edge brush for the first time. So this is specifically designed for the edges. So I'm taking the teeth part first, and then I flip it over and do the brush part first. I'm doing a little curvature motion just to lay my edges and just make it look more neater and defined. And I was really shocked by the strength of this edge control, okay? So this brush feels very, very much more easier to manipulate and maneuver versus using my toothbrush, which is what I have been using for a while now. So it feels good to have an actual edge control brush or edge brush. So I will leave the link to where I got the edge brush and the edge control from down below. But I was really shocked by the strength of this edge control. Oh my goodness. It just laid my edges down so fast. That is before even tying it down. So I'm just applying some more edge control to the other side of the hair. And after applying my edge control, I always tie it down with my satin scarf. So I did fold this scarf over, it's not this tiny, and I just wrap it around my edges and let it sit for about 30 minutes or however long I want it to sit. So after 30 minutes, I take down that satin scarf, and this is the end result of my hair, and my edges are still laid after 30 minutes. So I'm impressed by the strength of the gel immediately after I put it on, but after a few hours I find that it doesn't really have much hold to it compared to my other edge control. But I am very impressed with the Twaid Out hairstyle overall. It came out really cute. I find that it has a lot more elongation compared to my regular twist out, but it doesn't hold as long as my twist out. So will I try it again? Yes, I would try it again. It's definitely a great hairstyle to do. So thank you all so much for watching. Definitely subscribe and leave me some comments down below.